Confidential. Welcome to my home in Solana Beach, California, where you're always welcome. So today, honestly, I was going to do a workout video for you, but candidly, it's cold, gray, and raining outside, and I thought, what better day to make brownies than today? So just like with everything that I do, they are free of sugar. Sometimes I do gluten. Today they are also gluten-free. And the way that we're going to make them nice and moist, I know I use the M word, is we're using unsweetened applesauce and coconut oil instead of butter. So I think you'll find them super delicious. I love them. Let's wash our hands, get in the kitchen, and make some brownies.
Hey, there's a shower.
Okay, well that was on camera. You have to get on this side because this is my better side.
Because this is my better side.
Oh, perfect. Okay, ladies, we're back with our brownies. Now, these have been baking for about 20 minutes. I took them out, I let them cool, I sliced them, and then I put them on a plate. And he has a new job. Since we're quarantined, he's home. This is my husband, Oliver, and he has the job of taste testing and liking all of my baked goods. So Oliver is going to be the taste tester. Oliver.
Really good. Good. Yeah.
You like them? They're fudgy, huh?
Yep. Moist, chewy, brownie-like.
Yeah, but what do you think about the brownies? Okay.
Excellent.
Okay.
Really good.
Oh, yeah. All right. So these have walnuts in them. Of course, you can make them without. And I serve them with like a nice glass of Chianti. No, I serve them with a glass of almond milk, and they're delicious. So, those are really good. So what we're going to do is my parents just live a couple blocks down from us. So we're going to do our DoorDash, which is what we've been doing during the quarantine. I'm going to package some of these up for my mom and dad because my mom loves brownies. And we're going to leave them on the doorstep, ring the doorbell, and sprint away. But they'll appreciate this. For this and more great recipes, wellness, fitness, style, beauty, and all things healthy living, visit me on the blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com. See you on the blog.
I'm so incredibly nice.